Hey guys, so I decided to do a video tutorial on this thing. It's my latest acquirement thing. It's a double barrel crimper, what should I call it? I don't really know. It's Revlon. And I'm going to use her hair because her hair does it better because it's straight and it's long and so it looks better. On layers it doesn't look as good. I didn't do it to my hair. My hair's just natural right now. But anyway, I digress. So, I'm going to use my Silk Elements olive oil spray heat protectant. First, I gotta brush your hair.
It's fine.
No, it's not. Your hair is never fine. In some. There's still a tag in here.
Oh, I forgot to take that off. Just got it.
Okay. Okay, now that that's done, I will now spray stuff on her hair.
Got some of my nails.
I get it on my nose all the time. I like to rub my hands through my hair a little bit after I do that just to make sure it all kind of goes in the places it should go. Now I'm going to take my ever so trusty clip and clip her hair in half on top of her head. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Now, I take my double barrel and clamp it around up here. Hold it for like 5-10 seconds. It does it pretty quick. I don't know if you could see that very well, but... And then you basically just... I don't know how to explain this, hang on. Okay, you get up and come over here. Yeah. Okay. See how it's got down, up, down, and then it's gonna need to go up next. So I put this part of it into the section that's already doing a down loop so that it fits right in there. I hope I explained that well enough, but I'll do it again just to show you. So there's the down loop right there. And so I'm gonna do right there. And voila. Okay, go sit back down. Okay. Nice model. And basically, just do it to the rest of the hair. This is all going to be sped up right here.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So now that we got all this done, we're going to take one of these little tiny elastics and grab all the hair you just did and put it in a ponytail behind. By the way, if you hear a whirring noise, I turned on my fan. Okay. Voila! Okay. Now, you're gonna take down the clip, and I'm just gonna do the second one. If you have more hair, put another layer up, do the next layer, so on and so forth. But her layer, or her hair is not thick enough to do that. Stepped in this junior text me. Okay.
First you drop it and it attacks you. Then you step on it.
Anyway.
Maybe you should put that away.
So here we go.
World War II announcer accent.
Okay, so we're all done. It's all crimpy. Here, come here. Kind of, and then do like a 360. Ta-da! And I like it because, as you can see, the ends are not weird. Like if you braid your hair, it like goes like that at the end or whatever, and it's stupid. And there's always like a chunk that's not done at the end. But this eliminates that, and it looks cool. And it makes, to me, I feel like beach whenever I see this. I just think I want to go to the beach, because these are the kind of curls I get if I go in the water at the beach. So yeah, okay, get back in your seat. So, hope you liked it. Let me know if you want to do anything else. I think I'm gonna do a video when I dye my hair again, because my mom does it for me, but I'll probably just leave the camera on so you can see. I'll probably fast forward and stuff. But yeah, I'll be doing that this weekend. And thumbs up. I like thumbs. And subscribe. Yay, check out my other videos. Okay, bye. That's Steph too, by the way. I never even mentioned her. Okay, bye.
How's random kid?